Oh.
Damn it, come on, please. Just open the door. I know you're in there. Lights out, but your car is still here. Just, please. You went completely silent all day. Blew off work. You vanished on everyone, and honestly, I don't panic easily. You had me truly worried. That isn't like you. Please don't do this. Don't leave me out here. I didn't even think. I just ran out in ugly pajamas and one indoor slipper. Well, the other one flew off halfway. My brain just... It only registered one thing. I saw your post, and I just ran. I had to get to you. Please, open up. I need to see your face. I need to know you're okay. Because my imagination is going to the darkest place right now. Please. Oh, thank God. You're actually here. You look like hell, but holy crap, thank you. I thought I was too late. My heart was pounding so hard I could barely breathe. I've never driven that fast in my life. Pretty sure I broke a few traffic laws. Don't worry. I won't tell anyone. But now I'm soaked, freezing, and all I can think is how did I not see it sooner? How did I miss the signs? The quiet signal you were sending. Last week you handed me your sketchbook and that old comfy hoodie you always wear. You said if I like it, I could have it. You didn't need them anymore. Well, you were giving away pieces of yourself, and I was just too stupid to notice the sign. God, how did I not understand? You were trying to tell me something. A quiet goodbye, perhaps. And I just stood there saying thank you like an idiot. That post you shared? Maybe the kindest thing I could do is just to stop being here. Dude, that wasn't just words. That sounds like a damn eulogy. A deeply painful confession, and it hit me harder than anything ever has. The world just stopped. Everything went cold. How could you even imagine that its appearing would be some kind of mercy? How could you ever think that would somehow make things easier for everyone? It kills me how your own mind turned against you. Like it's forgotten how precious you are. You know, that thought alone would shatter me. It would absolutely destroy me in ways I can't even begin to describe. Please, don't you ever say something like that again. You don't get to measure your worth by how little space you think you take up in this world. You don't see yourself the way I do. The incredible person you are. Not even close. You are so much more. I wish you could see yourself from my perspective. Ugh. Anyway, I'm officially freezing. My teeth are shattering, and you better not make this weird when I'm raiding your closet for something dry. Ugh. Okay, this one. That old tea. Still smells like you. Perfect. I'm officially stealing this. Consider it as, an urgent loan for my survival. Hey, don't move. Stay right there. And seriously, don't move. Don't go do anything monumentally stupid while I'm gone, okay? I swear to God, if you manage to die while I'm just trying to get into some dry clothes, I will absolutely manage to haunt your ghost. Kidding? Mostly. But just, please, just wait for me. Okay, I'm back. And wow, what in the actual hell happened in here? Seriously, this place looks like a bomb went off and a herd of wild animals move in. No, I'm not mad. I mean, I am, but not at you. I'm mad at whatever weight you've been carrying that made you feel like you couldn't care for yourself. Mad at whatever made you stop believing you deserve better than this. Mad that I didn't see it sooner. Oh, you know what? Sit right there. I'm making you something. Don't even try to argue, just let me take care of you, okay? Here. I honestly have no idea what this is. Some weird tea? Probably. I unearthed this from the back of your cupboard. It smells vaguely like cinnamon and, well, just, it smells comforting. It's warm. Take a sip, please. No excuses. Just take a sip while it's warm. I actually boiled water for this, so, let's be real. It's above and beyond my usual level of effort in life. This is peak domesticity for me, so just accept the warmth. Yeah, that's it. Sometimes I wish I could just stroll around in your mind. Quietly, though. Not to fix anything or change it. Just to understand. To pull up a chair next to whatever's hurting and whisper, "Hey, you're not alone in here." Seriously, you're not. Not even for a second. And I get it. Your brain gets loud. It screams terrible things at you. It tells you that you are worthless. A burden. That no one cares. Just because your mind conjures them doesn't make them true. It's just noise, not the truth. It's the glitch in the system, a trick of the light, not the reality of who you are. The things you pick apart about yourself, the flaws you obsessed over, I honestly don't see them. Or if I do, they're just part of the intricate, beautiful puzzle that is you. I see someone who's fighting battles no one else even registered. Battles that would absolutely crush most people. Someone who's still here, still breathing, still showing up, even when it feels impossible. That is not weakness. That's insane, monumental strength. That's true courage. And just because your path looks different from everyone else doesn't make it any less important. It doesn't mean that it's wrong. If anything, it means you're carrying a story inside you that no one else can tell but you. And that story matters. It needs to be told. It needs to keep going. You are irreplaceable. You hear me? You don't have to explain the bad days. You don't have to put on a show or justify your pain. I'll just be there for them. I'll sit in the dark with you and wait for the light to trickle back in. However long that takes. No rush. We'll ride out every storm together. No judgment. You don't need to pretend for me. You don't need to put on a brave face or be okay for me. I'd rather have the real you. Even if you're a mess, even if you're just a whisper, than some perfectly polished version who's crumbling on the inside. That's exhausting. And you don't need that added burden. I want to be your safe space, your comfort hoodie on a rough day, your quiet morning with coffee. That soft patch of grass where the world just doesn't bite. Where you can finally breathe without bracing yourself. Where you can just be. Hey. Come here. Come lie down. You look absolutely wiped. Exhausted to your bones. You need rest. Just let yourself fall for a minute. Come here. You can lay on my chest. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry. There you go. Yeah. I've got you. Seriously, I do. I'm not going to let go. Not ever. Hey, if sleep comes, let it. Please, let it. You deserve that peace, that respite. I'll still be right here when you wake up. I'm not leaving. I'm not letting go. You're stuck with me now. Whether you realize it or not, you are not broken. You are not flawed beyond repair. You are human, messy, and real, and trying your absolute damn best to navigate this ridiculously complicated existence. And honestly, I am incredibly proud of you for that. For being here in this moment with me. For fighting, even when you feel like giving up. You matter just by existing, just by drawing breath. You matter to me more than you could possibly imagine. You are a vital, beautiful, irreplaceable piece of my world, and so many others. And this world, yeah, it's kind of a mess sometimes. It makes all this noise when all you need is peace. And then it goes definitely quiet when you desperately need answers. It hands out pain like it's candy. Like it's trying to break us. But even in all that chaos, even in an absolute thick of it, there are moments like this. Moments of quiet, of connection, of warmth. There's this, you and me, right here, still breathing, still trying. That's everything. That's the anger. That's the small, persistent light in the deepest dark. We have this. I don't even know what to do with all the fierce, unyielding love that I have for you right now. I don't know where to put it when you look at me like that. Like you are fading away. Like you're not even sure you're allowed to stay, to take up space, or to be loved. But I do know this. Loving you feels like drinking fresh, cool water after being stranded in the desert for days. Utterly parched, like stumbling upon something I didn't even know I was missing. And now, I can't imagine my life without it. You make everything make sense in a way nothing else does. You are, and always have been, my everything. My dream, my person, my quiet constant, the one I can always count on, even when you cannot count on yourself. And I know, I probably sound totally overwhelmed right now. Maybe a bit much. Maybe this is the absolute worst timing to just blurt it out. But I love you. Oh God, I love you. Not in some dramatic fireworks exploding rom-com kind of way. It's slow, quiet, deep-rooted kind of love. The kind that built up every single time I heard you laugh, or watched how incredibly gentle you were with everyone. or saw the unique light in your eyes when you talked about something you love. It's the kind of love that simply is. I love you. Oh God, I'm so lucky I love you. And not just when you're smiling and strong and putting your best foot forward. I love the whole damn you. Every messy, complicated, brilliant, vulnerable part. Even when you're quiet. Even when you're hurting. You don't need to say anything back. Seriously. I am not here for that. I am not looking for a reciprocal statement or grand gesture. I just needed you to know. Needed you to hear it. Needed you to understand the depth of it. Needed you to feel it. If you think I don't really know you or that I can't possibly understand the weight you carry, that's fine. That's totally okay. I have got the rest of my life to figure it out. I want to learn all your hidden corners, all your quiet thoughts, all your storms, every single one. I want to be there for them, whatever they are. Just, please, don't run from this life. Please. It might not be easy. It might even be a complete shit show sometimes. But it's yours. And it still has so much space for joy, for meaning, for all of our stupid inside jokes. So just stay, please. Stay. Let me be here with you. Let me share this burden. Let me lighten your load, even if it's just a tiny bit. Your hair smells so good. I'll wait for you to be ready. For as long as it takes. For healing. For understanding. For love to feel safe again. For the next step. There's no timeline or pressure here. Just us. Just this moment. Stretch it out as long as you need. One breath at a time, okay? Let's just stay like this a little while longer. Just breathe with me. Close your eyes. You are safe. Truly. Nothing can touch you here. Nothing can reach you. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be right here. For as long as it takes for you to see it. To feel it. To believe. I will stay until the sun comes up, and then some forever, if that's what it takes. It's hard, isn't it? Just being a person. Wake up, having to try again, pretending everything's fine when it's clearly not. Putting on a brave face when you're crumbling inside. I know. I really do. It's an immense effort, but you are doing it. Even if it doesn't feel like much, you're still here, still fighting, still trying, and that matters more than words. It's everything. Shh, shh, shh. Don't you dare apologize, please. Why do you always feel the need to say sorry like you're some kind of burden? You are not. You are a gift. You are a light. Not everything's your fault. Not even close. You are good enough, exactly as you are. Right now, in this messy, raw moment, even more than good enough for anyone to want to stay. And I'm staying with you, always. I'll stick around for as long as you'll let me. I'll be the clingiest, most ridiculously loyal, most supportive glue in this world could ever seen. I'm not going anywhere. Period, point blank. I'm here to stay. To annoy you with my presence. To love you fiercely. And to celebrate your smallest victories, okay? You're not meant to be alone. You know that? We are wired for connection, for touch, for shared moments. You're not some broken piece that doesn't fit into the grand design. You belong. You always have, and you always will. You fit perfectly right here. At least with me. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Trust me. And hey, listen to me. Really, listen. I've never faked a single I miss you or an I love you with you, not once. Every single word came straight from the softest, messiest, most honest part of me. From the gut, from the heart. Please believe that. Please be sure of that. I'm right here, unconditionally, with everything I am. This is real. There are so many things I still want to do with you. Dumb things, quieted things, breathtakingly beautiful things. I want you in all of them. I want you involved, not because you owe the world something, but because you deserve to see how much beauty life can still hold. How much joy is still waiting for you. How much peace. You deserve to experience all of it. I want to be part of the reason you stay. Not because everything's magically perfect. Because it won't be. And that is okay. but because together we'll make space for little things to matter again. You'll find a joy in a small moment. We'll take the slow path, one step, then another. No pressure, no race. Just one soft, messy, real moment at a time. We'll build something new. Slowly, gently, together. Even if the road ahead is long, even if it's messy, even if it feels impossible sometimes, I'll be there. I promise I'll be there. Right beside you. For every single step. Always. You won't have to walk alone. Not ever again. Now rest. Seriously. Take your time. Close your eyes. I'll be right here. I promise. Always. Just breathe. I've got you. We've got this.